So, one of the smartest things you can do as a renovator is profit hack, which is reverse engineering other people's projects when they hit the market. Now, I spotted this beauty and I just couldn't wait to get to figure out the numbers on it. Immaculate finish, designer details, predominantly cosmetic. I think this staircase is probably the only structural element in the renovation. But when I ran the numbers, it just didn't stack up. It's an old hotel in Sydney called the Contingent that has been lovingly restored. And because I'm deep in my own renovation, warehouse renovation, I know the true costs. And let me tell you, this project was a beauty on the outside, but profit wise, it was a disaster. So the owner bought it for 5 million in February 2024 and spent around a year renovating it. And I just ran some quick numbers through my calculator. And keep in mind, I think I'm probably a tiny bit light on in what they've spent, just judging by the finishes. And also in the holding costs, because it's almost $5 million worth being held for a year. It's a significant amount of money. So they would have paid about 10,000 a square metre for the property, which is okay, but they needed to get probably about 25,000 a square metre to actually bring in a profit that's consistent with the amount of investment and work. At 5 million, they would achieve roughly a 10% return. So, like 275,000, which is just not enough for such a big commitment. So, this is a really great exercise for understanding what people in your area will pay for and what they won't. Because on face value, this probably looked like a sure thing, but the scope was way too detailed and I think has not delivered the outcome that the renovator wanted. If you want to learn how to renovate smarter, book into our workshop on the 9 steps to profitable renovating.